Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Gmail using passkeys and phishing protections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Gmail using passkeys, start by ensuring your device is updated to the latest software version. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. Select the option to sign in with a passkey. If you don't see this option, ensure that your account settings support passkey authentication. On your device, access the security settings where you manage your passwords. Follow the prompts to create a new passkey for your Google account. You will likely need to verify your identity, which may involve entering your password or using biometric authentication. Once verified, save the newly created passkey to your device's password manager. Return to the Gmail sign-in page and reselect the option to sign in with your passkey. When prompted, use your device to authorize the sign-in using the saved passkey. Wait for the authentication process to complete. If successful, you will gain access to your Gmail account. To bolster your account's security, enable phishing protections in your Google account settings. Navigate to the security section of your Google account. Look for options labeled phishing and malware protection. Enable these features to take advantage of enhanced safety measures against phishing attempts. Review the settings related to suspicious sign-in activity and alerts. Consider adding two-factor authentication as an extra layer of security. Choose a method for two-factor authentication, such as an authenticator app or SMS verification. After enabling these features, regularly update your security settings to keep your account protected. Stay informed about the latest phishing scams and best practices for online security. By following these steps, you can efficiently authenticate with Gmail while enjoying robust phishing protections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.